What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a week since I have uploaded. I've been out of town making money, and I am coming back on the perfect time to buy this dip on GameStop and AMC stock. But before I do get into this video, make sure to go down and subscribe if you guys are new to the channel, because I am going to be updating you guys on GameStop and AMC stock every single day. Once again, starting to freaking day. So it's only been 1 week, but it feels like it's been years. And look at the bloodbath that has happened to AMC stock. Down 7.5% today at $3.50. New lows. Not looking the best. But, you know, if you want to buy the dip, if you were hoping for a dip, here it is. Here it freaking is. Obviously not financial advice. Obviously it's looking kind of scary. But, you know, when people are scared, when people are fearful, that's when you want to be buying the freaking dip. I mean, look at all the stock market though. Everything is red, literally everything. GameStop was red today as well, but obviously it has been in an uptrend. Today it hit a low of $30.90, down 4%. And as you guys see here, this trend line that I have drawn out, every time it hits this trend line, it bounces off it. So tomorrow I do believe we will make a bounce with GameStop. AMC will probably have a little sympathy bounce off this $3.50 level. It is possible. I'm saying right now, it is possible. Since we did break below $4 once again, it's possible we might go to 320, 310. Anything's possible, guys. But it's also possible that we could get this 30, 40, 50% move for AMC and GameStop. I mean, this really can be the final dip before the rip. And you know, I was hoping for something crazy today with Greg saying it was his freaking birthday and all. Obviously nothing crazy happened today, nothing but a bloody Monday for the whole stock market. But yeah, I do believe tomorrow GameStop will make a bounce off this $31 level. I did load into some $33 calls right at the end of the day because I do believe GameStop will easily reach that level once again. Donald Trump's stock was up 21% today, and I don't think it's gonna end here. I mean, with his inauguration being literally next week, it's going to be freaking insane. 46 million volume. It's gonna be crazy, so keep your eyes on that. Tesla went crazy today. It was at a low of $380. Now after hours it's trading at $411. I believe it will break up to $500 by the end of this month, which is a bit of a stretch. But, you know, we saw what happened when Donald Trump won the election. Tesla stock went freaking crazy because of Elon Musk being best friends with Donald Trump. I mean, the same thing is going to happen all over again over the next week. So, yeah, I mean, everyone's scared that's in the stock market. Everyone's taking out their money. That's why it is just red. When everyone is scared, that's when you have to be greedy. That's when you have to be buying like freaking crazy. And that's just my opinion. 50 has said, the trend is our friend. The last 5 touches have led to a very nice bounce. I'm feeling pretty good about tomorrow. The chart still looks bullish as hell. So yeah, like I said, this trend line that's drawn out has been touched multiple times. Ever since the filing came out that Roaring Kitty sold all his Chewy, we've been in this uptrend. And I don't think it is long before GameStop really breaks out past $35, hitting that $40, $50 level, and then the $100 level. I still do believe a recoil is about to happen, guys. Same thing that happened in 2021, happening in 2025. While Trump comes into office, it's going to be freaking huge. It is going to be huge, and I'm here for it. And after hours today, GameStop had another wick almost up to $32. We've been seeing these wicks every other day happen for GameStop, whether it's in after hours or overnight trading. All I know is GameStop is really on the verge of breaking out like crazy. The volume isn't there. That's really the only thing holding it back. Only 5 million shares traded of GameStop today. The volume for GameStop is non-existent right now, and there's only one thing that's going to bring volume to GameStop at this point in time, and it is going to be Roaring Kitty. If he makes a Twitter post, it's like okay, but if he does a portfolio update and shows that he bought more GameStop like I think he did, GameStop's going to $100. I mean, it's going to $100. It's almost guaranteed. Like, obviously, nothing's guaranteed, but, you know, it's basically almost guaranteed. So, Adam Aaron tweeted this about a week ago. He said, I believe I remain AMC's largest retail investor. I own 722,000 AMC shares and will invest in 1.2 million more AMC shares within 26 months, many by March of this year. So I certainly feel and share in your pain as AMC's share price has fallen in 2023 and 2024. I understand that it hurts. He's saying he will invest in 1.2 million more AMC shares. That's only like $4 million. How much is Adam Aaron getting paid hard cash? I think around like 20, 25 million. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I mean, out of that 25 million that he's making a year, he's only gonna put in another 4 million. Doesn't make sense. I mean, it's sketchy, guys. It is sketchy. I do believe AMC is a short squeeze play, but the squeeze is gonna be suppressed. It is going to be suppressed, just like it was suppressed back in May. It only went to $13, which is still huge. You still could have made a lot of money, but I mean, come on now. It was still suppressed at the end of the day. So all I'm saying is when something big does happen, something significant, and we see a jump in price, just take your profit. That's all I'm gonna tell you guys. Take your profit. You can't lose money if you take profit. That is just it. This guy said Cinemark and IMAX are getting tons of optimistic buy recommendations. Wish I could say the same for the largest theater exhibitor in the world, but on the bright side, it's been months since any outlet reported AMC is on the brink of bankruptcy after almost daily hit pieces. I suppose they had enough of being wrong about that in the past 4 or 5 years. So it's obvious that AMC isn't on the brink of bankruptcy, and bankruptcy isn't really in the picture right now, at least for the next 5 years. You could guarantee that because the debt was moved all the way back to 2029 and 2030. So in the meantime, I mean, we just got to worry about the manipulation, and there's nothing we could do about it right now. It is screwed, but that won't stop AMC from having another decent 400 or 500% gain. Even 100% gain in any stock is pretty solid. I mean, this downtrend that we've been in looks really similar to the downtrend we were in back at the end of March and the beginning of April. And then a month later, obviously, we got a freaking crazy squeeze. Now, obviously, it can be happening a lot faster because I do believe sometime this month we are going to be getting some explosive moves. So, I mean, every check I'm getting, I'm just buying the freaking dip, both GameStop and AMC. And I'm not going to stop. I'm really not going to stop. I would rather keep investing into a short squeeze play, waiting for the squeeze, than, you know, put my money in the NASDAQ or the SPY. It doesn't make sense in my opinion. Obviously, there's a ton of other stocks I'm looking at, but investing in GameStop and AMC, you're not going to get another feeling like that anywhere else. But that is going to do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I was thinking today was going to be a lot more exciting with Greg's birthday freaking here. Obviously, it's been a terrible day. Boring day. Red day. A terrible day for the stock market. I mean, in general, the whole stock market was red, except for Tesla and Donald Trump stocks. So those are two stocks to keep an eye on. I believe those two stocks will actually move pretty crazy over the next week. I am loaded into some Tesla calls, 420 calls, but most of my money right now is in GameStop and AMC calls as well. Got some money in Mara as well, just a little play right there. But I believe in general the stock market will make a bounce off this bloody Monday that we had today, and tomorrow we can see a lot of green. Feels good to be back in my room. I did try to make a video when I was out of town. I was like 12 hours away from home, just selling door to door. But, you know, I couldn't really fit it in my schedule. We were freaking busy every second of every day. It was ridiculous. But now I'm back. Now I'm back in the zone. So just be ready for the daily uploads. It is going to get interesting over the next couple of days. I promise you guys. So make sure to stay tuned on my channel. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. As y'all know, I'm buying the dip.
Here we go. Come on. Push it. Buy the dip. Buy the dip. Here we go.